Okay, today we're going to work on this denim. What we're going to do is take elements of how it's washed and the abrasion and whiskering, and we're going to do a clipping mask into our sketch. So this is just an image that I've downloaded. It's a JPEG, and I'm going to rasterize this image. So after it's rasterized, I'm going to go to image trace, which is right here in your menu bar. I'm going to click down and I'm going to use high fidelity. And this will take a few seconds for it to convert it into a vector. So before, as a photo image, if I zoomed in, it would start getting pixelated. But now what this image trace is turning this into is actually artwork, an Illustrator artwork. So we're waiting for image trace to do its job. Okay, so now it still looks like the same pair of jeans, but if you zoom in, you can see now that it's become an illustration. So we want to get rid of portions of this image, so we're going to press expand, and it's now, since it's a illustration, it is now selected every single little color. And we're going to go to object and ungroup. So now I can delete big swatches of color images. So I'm going to get rid of this top part. I don't want that. So I can select that. I'm going to delete that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy that. So copy. I'm going to go to the page where I have my sketch, and I will paste it down. So this is what I just created on the other page. Now I'm going to use the outline, so I will Command C and I will copy it. Now I want to have one leg on one side, but since this isn't the exact dimensions, I'm going to split my legs in half. So I'm going to use my Shape Builder tool. Okay, drawing a line. Whoops. So now I have two halves of my pant, and we can do the same for this pant. And well, let's see, let's scale this so it's about right. So if I lay that on top, that looks pretty good. So this is the right scale. For this. So I'm going to make a copy of this as well. So I copied and paste. So now what I want is I only need half. So since I have another copy, I'm going to get rid of half. You don't have to, but it's a little bit easier. You can group this if you want. Now I'm going to put my pant leg right over this denim detail. I'm going to bring that to the front. And now I will create my clipping mask. And now I have it within my silhouette. And I can do the same for the other side. I can get rid of this half. I'll group that. I'll lay my outline right there. Bring it to the front. Create my clipping mask. And I'm just going to select my outside. If you select the whole thing, everything in here is going to turn into black lines. Send that to the back. Send that to the back. And then I showed you how to do the little tears as well. You create a little brush in white so that when you select it, it turns into a little tear. Like so.